Most of our hourly positions, that's where we're leveraging the Spark Hire Meet to do the interviews, right? So we set it up. They make it, candidate applies, gets through the screening questionnaire. Then we send them the invite to conduct the video interview. Then we have the hiring manager actually review those. So they are basically qualifying. So the video interviewing is taking the place of what I would say is an HR interview for the hourly positions. And then if they like that candidate, the hiring manager and their team are then interviewing them, and then they come back to us for an offer. Whereas my exempt positions, once we vetted through both, again, through the application screening question and AI, if that's the job requires, my recruiting team, up to and including myself, will do that first interview. So we're not only making sure knowledge, skills, and abilities, we're making sure they have all the other cultural components that we're looking for. And then we hand them to the hiring manager after that, because if they're not vested in the decision, why have six other people interview them as well? And then we may have a team interview, and then we go to offer. Sometimes it may be just me and the hiring manager, but we at least have at a minimum two people have eyes on that candidate. The third one I wanted to share with you, and I'm not sure if your tool is being leveraged this way with other companies right now, is the 1099 rules. So we have a series of medical doctors that work for us that they kind of do it as a part-time basis. They're contractors versus part-time. So they have a day job, for lack of a better term, which is probably taking care of you and I when we go see the doctor. But if they want to supplement their income, they get money from us by doing a certain amount of reviews. So one of the things they were doing is they were using other tools when I came on board through LinkedIn, as well as a specific medical tool called Doximity, where they were going into those tools and approaching people. And then I went, well, if we use Spark Hire, we can title it a 1099 so they know that it's not a traditional job in the title, medical review, and then the specialty. And then it's going out and advertising that through all of our sources. And then they're applying. And the beauty there is we're creating a database of 1099 candidates, whereas the other tools were kind of passive and weren't creating a database. So all of a sudden in the last few months, my team went from, okay, let's try it, to now all of our positions that are 1099 are there, and we have a big flow of people coming through the door.